Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the brake light switch on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, please do not waste your money on new switch, on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll explain in some cases why you may not even need to replace the brake light switch even if the fuses are good, what you need to do. Another thing, quick advice, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So for the brake light switch, which fuses and relays we need to check? Come guys, we'll explain that on that GMC Terrain. Okay, make sure you watch until the end. After the fuses we'll explain what else you need to check. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can guys save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What do we guys need to do today? Okay, we'll be working in a fuse box that's under the hood. Go ahead and pop the hood open. Facing the engine here now, on the right side, the driver's side, we have a fuse box next to you see that's a brake fluid reservoir, next to it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, a clip there, release them, leave the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the brake light switch, guys, now we need to check a few different fuses. Which fuses we're talking about? You may have all of them or some of them depending on your year, model and configuration. You may have fuse number 3, if you have it, check it, guys. You need to also check fuse number 13 right here and fuse number 16, which will be right there. Now guys, the brake light switch is controlled by the brake control module. This is your brake control module with the ABS traction control assembly right here. That's the computer that controls it. So inspect that wiring harness, make sure it's not contaminated with water. If you wash the engine, make sure it's clean and it's plugged in correctly. Another thing that we see here at the garage, guys, you may want to check your engine computer fuses. We have the video on the channel if you need help with that. But sometimes brake light switch, okay, people may stick something under the pedal, sometimes they put their feet, so inspect the wiring harness for the brake light switch. The brake light switch is installed on the brake paddle usually. And on some modern cars, you may need to recalibrate the brake light switch to work correctly. Even after you replace it with a new one, often you may need to calibrate it to work correctly, guys, so it's know where it's on and off position. But if it's bad, okay, we'll have a video on the channel how to replace brake light switch on I think it's on a Chevy Cruze, which will be very similar, and how to test brake light switch as well. Check out the videos, will be on the channel for your help, guys. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.